Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Because this is Pride Month, I have seen several artists making something to do with the Pride colors, which are colors of the rainbow. And I happen to have brand new colors that, well, never been opened colors. And they're all from Deco Art, and I got them along with the Deco Art neons that I played with a couple months back. And these are the brights. Grasshopper green is this one here. Bright red is this one here. Bright orange, this one here. Bright yellow, this one. Bright purple. And guess what? Bright blue. The only one that isn't bright, I guess, is the grasshopper green, and it looks pretty bright to me. But these are the colors that we're going to be using today. They're all from Deco Art. They came in the kit, and there were neons and the brights. And of course, the white, just Artist Loft and Floetrol mixed with some water. These are the colors and Floetrol, and I mixed them a little while ago to get the bubbles out, and I don't think I'm going to need any water in them. They look fairly great. Yeah. So I think we are good to go. And there you have it. Pride month at its finest in this house. It is absolutely gorgeous. These colors are just popping right to the surface. They are amazing. And I want to thank you guys for taking this little bit of time and spending it with me. Don't forget, I will show you up close snapshots at the very end. And if you like this and would like to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up if you really liked it. Leave me a comment down below if there's a technique. If you're bored with the Dutch pours and the cloud pours, give me an idea what you would like to see. I am here for you guys. This is all just fun for me. And like I said, thank you for taking time out of your day to spend it with you, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I promise I will be back soon. Bye-bye now.